Hi, guys, and good morning. It's Mrs. Tucker again. I hope you've been having a great week so far. Let me just remind you, if you need help with anything, don't forget to reach out to me. I don't care what the question is. I want to be able to help you, okay? So for your assignment today, you're going to go ahead and go into classwork. You'll go down to week 4 assignments, and today it says September the 16th, the AVID syllabus quiz. Now, you're going to notice that the syllabus for this assignment is actually up here in resources. So the actual syllabus, is right here. You will click, open that. It should pop up. You don't necessarily have to print it. You need to have it. But for the actual assignment, you're going to be completing a quiz. So you will have to answer questions about the syllabus. So just click on the quiz. It'll take you to a Google form. You will go ahead and answer. Everything is there, and then submit, and then that is your assignment for the day. Now, of course, if you have any questions about the syllabus, something doesn't make sense, please go ahead and let me know, and I will reach out and help you. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.